Hey, what is up YouTube? Lando Tech here, and in this video, I'm going to show you 2 of the best ways to access your Google Photos on your Google TV. As you already may know, Google Photos is not in the Google TV Play Store, but in a previous video that I'll link here, I showed how to sideload it to Google TV. The problem with that, however, is it requires a Bluetooth mouse, and reopening it is a bit of a pain because it doesn't have a shortcut on the home screen. But these 2 methods I'll show you will make accessing your Google Photos a breeze. For the first method, pan over to the Apps tab. Go down to the search box. Search for PixFolio.
Results for PixFolio.
Click the first result. Then click Install. After the installation is complete, click Open. Click Next, then OK. Now grab your phone and scan the QR code that's presented. You'll be taken to the PixFolio Google account sign-in page. Give the privacy policy a read over and hit Continue. You'll need to check this box to give PixFolio access to selected photos. Feel free to click Learn More if you want more info about how third parties handle your data. Once you're good, scroll down and hit Continue. Now, go back to your TV and you'll see a blue border on your screen. Press either up or down on the remote until the border fits your screen. Then, hit OK. Hit Next. Now, grab your phone again and scan this QR code. You'll be brought to your photos. Checkmark any picture that you want displayed on your Google TV via the PixFolio app. Then hit Done. Your Google TV will start importing those photos. Hit Next to keep the default settings. And Next again. Then hit Finish. You'll now be able to see and navigate through all the pictures you selected from your Google Photos. However, the only issue is this app is free for only 3 days. It is a great app, and in my opinion, it's worth the money. But if you'd rather not spend anything, then follow my second method. But before we get into the second method, if you found this content useful so far, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to see more Google TV tips, subscribe and ring that bell. All right, let's get back into it. For method 2, you'll have to make sure that your smartphone and your Google TV are both on the same Wi-Fi network. You'll also have to have the Google Photos app downloaded on your phone. Once you have these things in place, go ahead and launch Google Photos. If you only want to display a specific album, then go to the Collections tab and tap on your desired album. Now, tap on the cast icon on the top right-hand corner. Then, tap on Connect. Your TV will now display the Google Photos logo. If you tap on a picture, that picture will be displayed on your TV. And if you swipe to the next picture, the picture on your TV will change accordingly. And only photos in your desired album will be displayed on your TV. When you're done, tap the top right-hand corner again. Then, select Disconnect. Now, what if I told you that there was a third way that you could easily access Google Photos on your Google TV? Well, there is. Watch this next video right here to learn about it.